Did you ever wonder why elephants have such long noses? Yes, we're talking about the amazing world of elephants and those distinctive long trunks. These remarkable features aren't just for show. They play a crucial role in an elephant's day-to-day life, from finding food to expressing feelings. Elephants are truly one-of-a-kind creatures, and their trunks are just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned to discover the answer and more fascinating facts about elephants. First up, let's focus on that long nose, or as scientists call it, the trunk. Now, you might think that an elephant's trunk is just for sniffing out delicious snacks, but it's so much more than that. Imagine having a nose that can lift heavy objects, trumpet loud warnings, and even act like a snorkel when swimming. Sounds like something out of a superhero comic, right? But for elephants, it's just another day in the park. An elephant's trunk is truly a marvel of nature. It's packed with thousands of muscles, and it's so sensitive that it can pick up a single blade of grass, yet so strong that it can uproot a tree. It's their main way of interacting with the world, from greeting their buddies to siphoning up gallons of water to drink. So, an elephant's trunk is not just a nose, it's a multi-purpose tool. Moving on to a fact that proves size truly matters in the elephant world. Did you know that elephants have the longest gestation period of any land animal? Oh yes, when it comes to carrying their young, these mammoth mommies take the cake, or should we say, the whole bakery. While humans carry their babies for about 9 months, female elephants, known as cows, carry theirs for a whopping 22 months. That's almost 2 whole years. It's the longest pregnancy in the animal kingdom, and for a good reason. Baby elephants, or calves, are born bigger than most animals, weighing in at a hefty 200 pounds. The long gestation period also allows the baby elephant's brain to develop properly, so they're born ready to stand, walk, and even swim. So next time you think 9 months is long, remember the elephant mommies nurturing their little ones for nearly 2 years. That's right. Baby elephants stay in mom's belly for almost 2 years. Next, let's delve into the story of elephant tusks. These aren't just for show, you know. They're actually elongated incisor teeth, growing throughout an elephant's life and serve many purposes. They are the elephant's toolbox, used for digging, lifting objects, gathering food, and stripping bark from trees. They even help in defense during fights. Now here's a sad twist to our tusk tale. These magnificent tusks have made elephants a target for ivory poachers. Ivory, the material that makes up the bulk of a tusk, is valued highly in certain parts of the world, leading to the unfortunate and illegal hunting of these gentle giants. This is a serious issue threatening elephant populations worldwide. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these majestic creatures and their invaluable tusks. So, the next time you see an elephant tusk, think not just of its beauty, but of its importance to the elephant's survival. Remember, each tusk tells a tale. Now, imagine eating for 16 hours a day. Sounds fun, right? Welcome to the world of elephants, the ultimate foodies of the animal kingdom. With a diet that's mostly vegetarian, elephants are the grand grazers, feasting on a smorgasbord of grass, roots, and bark. But they don't stop there. They also love to munch on fruits and leaves, and in a single day, an adult elephant can consume up to 600 pounds of food. That's equivalent to the weight of a grand piano. And let's not forget about water. An elephant's thirst is as big as its appetite. Every day, these majestic creatures can drink up to 50 gallons of water. That's about enough to fill a bathtub to the brim. So whether it's chomping down on a tree branch or guzzling water from a river, elephants truly embody the phrase, "eat like a king." So elephants are the ultimate foodies of the animal kingdom. Elephants aren't just big in size, they have big hearts too. Now, let's explore the social life of these gentle giants. Elephants are incredibly social creatures, exhibiting strong bonds with their family members. They live in matriarchal societies where the oldest and often largest female, called the matriarch, leads the herd. She is the one who makes all the important decisions, like where to find food and water and when to move. Elephants also show profound familial bonds. They help and support each other in times of distress and even mourn the loss of their loved ones. Baby elephants or calves are raised and protected by the whole herd, not just their mothers. This communal parenting helps the calves learn and grow in a nurturing environment. So elephants are not just about size and strength. They demonstrate deep emotional connections and a sense of community that is truly remarkable. Indeed, elephants teach us the value of family and community. Did you know elephants can feel joy, love, and even grief? Elephants are not just large in size, but also large in emotion. These gentle giants are known for their emotional intelligence, a trait that's rare among animals. They possess a range of emotions and show remarkable capacity for empathy, often comforting their fellow elephants in distress. Have you ever noticed how elephants rejoice when they meet their long-lost friends? That's pure joy right there. They also express love and bonding by entwining their trunks, a sort of elephantine handshake, if you will. But their emotional depth doesn't end there. Elephants, like us humans, mourn their dead. They stand silently around their deceased, touching the body with their trunks, a poignant display of sorrow and respect. The emotional spectrum that elephants possess is a testament to their social complexity. Their depth of feeling mirrors our own in many ways, reminding us that we're not so different after all. Elephants truly wear their hearts on their sleeves. Ever heard the phrase, "an elephant never forgets"? Well, it's not just a saying, it's a testament to the incredible memory of these gentle giants. Elephants can live up to 70 years, that's almost as long as humans. And during their long life, they accumulate a vast library of memories. Imagine remembering every detail of your life, every face you've ever seen, every path you've ever walked, every sound you've ever heard. That's what it's like to be an elephant. Researchers believe that this amazing memory helps them survive in the wild, remember the locations of water resources, and even recognize old friends. Their brain is similar to ours in many ways. It's large and highly developed, especially the part responsible for emotions and memory. This explains their excellent recall and deep emotional connections. Yes, elephants can remember, and they can feel too. So when it comes to memory games, bet on the elephant. Sadly, these magnificent creatures are facing numerous threats. Elephants, the gentle giants that walk our earth, are under siege. The first major threat they face is habitat loss. As we continue to expand our cities and roads, we are encroaching on the elephants' natural homes. Forests are being cut down, grasslands are being plowed over, and water sources are being diverted. In short, we're leaving these majestic animals with nowhere to go. The second major threat to elephants is poaching. Despite international bans, there's still a black market for ivory, which comes from elephant tusks. These beautiful, intelligent creatures are being hunted down and killed for their tusks. It's a heartbreaking reality, but it's one we can't ignore. These threats have led to a drastic decline in elephant populations worldwide. But it's not too late to turn things around. We have the power to make a difference. It's our duty to safeguard these gentle giants for future generations. Before we wrap up, here's one last fascinating fact about elephants. As the largest land animals on Earth, these gentle giants play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity in their habitats. They are known as ecosystem engineers, a title that reflects their significant influence on the environment. Imagine a gardener tending to a garden. The gardener prunes the trees, plants seeds, and creates paths. In a similar way, elephants shape their habitat. By feeding on certain plants and trees, they control the spread of vegetation, ensuring that one species doesn't dominate. Elephants are also seed dispersers. As they travel and defecate, they spread seeds across vast distances, helping new plants to grow in different areas. This process enriches the soil and promotes a diverse range of plant life. Their large size and appetite also create pathways through dense vegetation, allowing smaller animals to navigate through the landscape more easily. By digging for water during dry periods, they create water holes that benefit other wildlife. These actions combined contribute to a rich and varied ecosystem, supporting a wide array of species. Without elephants, the biodiversity of their habitats would likely decrease significantly. So as you can see, elephants are not just fascinating creatures in their own right, but they also play an integral part in sustaining the balance of nature. Remember, every creature, big or small, plays a vital role in our world. Let's appreciate and protect them. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.